Good evening, everyone. My name is Ian Aris Guerra. This is part 2 of book sharing. Yay! um, Characters: Troy Blotton, the star basketball player, popular and charming, but Secretary Harbon's a passion for singing. He's conflicted between fulfilling expectation and following his heart. Gabriela Montes Abrailes, a shy new student, academically gifted, but hesitant to embrace her musical talent. She's friendly and identified and values her intelligence above all else. Twin brother equality abuse, but more subtly manipulative. His sharp eyes accomplice in her Chad Dafton, Troy Best, the friend intelligently spectacle of Troy's interest in the musical but ultimately supportive. Tyler Maxes, Gabriel's friend, a sharp and witty academic who encouraged Gabriela to pursue her passions. His high school, a type American high school. During the school year, the setting shifts between the basketball court, the science lab, the drama classroom, and the school auditorium. Troy and Gabriel, from different school circles, expected daily meet and bond over their shared love of singing. They decide to audition for the school musical graces, challenging the established social order. Troy and Gabriel audition creates and stir, particularly among Sharpin and Ryan, who view them as rebels. Shafai and Ryan employ bias factors to spotted Troy and Gabriel's chance include experiencing romance and months including audition. Troy faces pressure from his basketball teammates and adorn his newfound passion for the singing. Gabriela grapples with balancing her academic pursuits with her burgeoning interest in the theater. Troy and Gabriel's relationship strengthened minds the challenge, fostering mutual support and understanding. During the final dress rehearsal, sharpening and anthems to manipulate Troy introducing basketball over the musical, exploiting his insecurities and fears of jeopardizing his future. Gabriela comforts Shafai, depending Troy in her shared dream. Troy ultimately chooses to follow his heart and participate in the musical. Troy and Gabriela dissipate the obstacles, prepare for opening night, solidifying their performances and their bond. Shafai, witnessing their dedication and talent, begins to evaluate her own invention. Opening night is the triumph of Troy and Gabriela. Their performances is exceptional, captivating the audience and earning the respect of their peers, including Sharpay, who begins to understand the importance of collaboration and genuine talent overarchings. Invasion, the musical brings the previously divided school together, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose. Troy and Gabriela relationships flourishes, demonstrate and the power of forcing one's passions and embracing individuality. The story and sweet and sense of hope and promise for the future, hitting at the more inclusive, and harmonization is high